All the same from these maggots. You know, this happens every day. Apparently I did learn something interesting though about this place. Apparently, and this would maybe explain why this bullshit is so heavy here. Apparently it's the county town of Derbyshire. So the head of the council apparently is here for the whole of Derbyshire, which I didn't know. But, of course they got the no emergency going on. This is all deliberately done to try and I guess make noise, to harass me or whatever they want to do. You know, there's no way in a place like this there's an emergency every day, multiple times a day. It's all deliberate noise. Of course, someone comes out in the minute that happens too. It's all noise campaign. All noise campaign. Someone coughs. And they do it again. So there you go. It's all, you know, got the good proportion of the people here involved in this. That's why they come out at the same time and they do the coughing and all the nonsense. Also, you got the come out, slam the doors, that gay shit again. So he's just gone in there. This is another person. You know, it's what they do, man. They'll come out, open the car, slam the door, and go back in. You know, constantly do that. And then you got these vermin down here somewhere that are coughing deliberately. You've got the sirens, you got the honking, you got the revving, all the nonsense going on. And yeah. This town is full of vermin, it really is. No idea this town was so full of scumbags until I moved here. But there you go. Just goes to show, if it looks pretty, it doesn't mean it's a good place. Because there's no denying it is a nice looking place, but it's just full of fucking vermin. And the noise. And over half, I'd say, of this noise is deliberately being done. You know, because I'm uploading a video as this is recording, so whenever I upload a video, they'll make tons of noise and play the sirens. They'll rev, as you can hear. They'll do whatever they want to make noise. And this is all. It's all part of the psyop, more or less. And the excessive door slamming again from these fuckers for no apparent reason. Oh, we're going now. It's funny though, because it's timed to the sirens exactly. So, and they're brand new, because they've all these. I've noticed one thing: all these neighbours, they've all got brand new cars. Alright, they all of a sudden got, this last year, got brand new cars. I wonder why. It's their little reward for what they're doing. Because I've noticed all these fuckers get like flashy cars. Not always like top of the range cars, but sometimes they do. But they'll get new cars out of nowhere. It's because they bribe them, reward them to do this shit. They give them perks and rewards and gift cards and all that shit. Even new cars, How do you think they get these fuckers to do this shit so easily? You know what I mean? Most sheep aren't gonna refuse a new car, you know what I mean, to do this type of shit. So, it's like pretty much everyone in there that targets me have got, or that I think are targeting me, and I'm pretty sure they are, have got new cars. You ask yourself, why is that? Because I've noticed the same kind of thing in other places too. And yeah, they use everyone. They use their children. They use, the other day I had a paper plane flew over my fence. Just like what they did last summer, where they were throwing like shit over my fence to try and annoy me. They like flung a paper plane over. It's like, it's a cult mentality with these people. They get everyone involved. The whole family gets involved, and that's how they do it. This morning as well, that div up there saying shit out his window again. So again, he gets told to go where he should go. And yeah. This is the bullshit these motherfuckers do. So, yeah. No more sirens. No more honking. Dickheads. It's just ridiculous.